What's up, kids? It's your long-lost cash cow, still in here in Mexico. Guys, in this video, like the thumbnail stated, I'm going to show you how life is very simple if you do what I'm going to say. Guys, I've been using ChatGPT to create some designs for my new Shopify print-on-demand store. And guys, I cannot begin to tell you, I'm actually quite shocked. And I'll show you the prompts that I've used. And I could obviously make even better designs with ChatGPT if I knew what I was doing. But like I always tell you guys in all of my videos, just get in and take action and mess around with stuff. And again, like I said, like the thumbnail stated, it says life is simple. And you saw the sales that I've generated. And I'm gonna show you the prompt that I use to make not only the life is simple design for my print-on-demand store, but another design that I made. I mean, both of these designs have gone somewhat viral. Like the life is simple design that I'm going to show you. Like yesterday, it made. Well, I think I sold 7 or 9 T-shirts with this design, but I will. I'll flip it around and I will show you guys exactly what I am talking about. All right, kids. So first off, as always, guys, there is a link for 3 months of Shopify for $3, basically $1 a month, and that'll be the first link in the description. And I'll flip this around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, let's go to Shopify. And guys, I've been using Shopify probably for 12 to 14 years, something like that. I've created numerous Shopify stores, not all successful, but my last store did over $250,000 in sales, which I sold that back in January. So as some of you know, if you're subscribed to the channel, you know I was going to start a new store, kind of a case study like what we did for the store I was just referencing. But anyway, I think Shopify and print-on-demand is one of the easier things to do if you're trying to make money online. I've struggled a little bit with this store, trying to grow it. I launched it in, I think in like the second week in March, and it hasn't done that great. But comment down below, guys, if you want to see the numbers that it has generated. Again, I mean, I shouldn't say it hasn't done great. It's done okay. It certainly is paying the bills, and it's starting to get better now. My Facebook ads are starting to work, et cetera, et cetera. But again, guys, comment down below if you want to see how I made that store, how I made this store. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Okay, guys. ADHD in full effect. So, again, if you haven't used Shopify has an AI feature now embedded in their platform, and it's freaking insane. So there really shouldn't be any excuses. You could make an entire Shopify store in under a day by using AI and all that good stuff. But what I'm going to do is ask AI, and you just click on this little guy up here. And I'm talking about the Life is Simple shirt that I designed. I'm not even sure when I designed it, but maybe we'll figure that out in a minute. I want to say like a month and a half ago or something like that. But this shirt, as of yesterday, I've sold 42 of these shirts, which you saw it's like $1,370 something. Just I'm all about transparency, guys, so I'm going to show you real time, as always, how many sales we've had for this design, and then I'll show you the design, the actual shirt, and I'll show you how I designed it in ChatGPT. And again, guys, it was just one single prompt. Okay, how many Life is Simple t-shirts have I sold to date? Let me put on my spectacles. Okay, guys, as you can see, we have sold 42 of these shirts. So, guys, as I stated, ADHD is in full effect. I totally didn't even show you the shirt. So, I'm just making this and going to put it right here. So, guys, this is the shirt. I can't really make that any bigger, but guy drinking beer, I don't have to tell you what the middle thing is. And then a guy playing golf. As simple as that, guys. And I did make this in Canva. And those icons and everything, well, the middle icon I found online or Google Images or whatever. But the other two icons I found in ChatGPT. And as you can see, guys, life is simple. Well, so is this freaking design. But I guess that's what sells. I've got it in, numerous different colors. But anyway, I just had to jump on here because, again, ADHD in full effect. Okay, let's continue watching. Bye-bye. Let me just ask real quick, what is the sales total? And as you can see right here, guys, in the last 7 days, this store has done $1,928.82. So, well, there it is, guys. I think that's actually a different number than the thumbnail stated. I'm not 100%, but it's close. So $1,363.90. And guys, I'll show you another design that I've sold quite a few of. But they're actual stickers. I've got people coming on to my website buying stickers and only stickers. And I charge quite a bit of money for these stickers. My profit is like $9 on a sticker. And they're paying like, I don't know what. Let me, I'm just thinking if I want to show you those results. Let me see here. How many play bad fast stickers have I sold to date, and the total sales number? And guys, when I show you in ChatGPT, when I show you the and how easy this was to do, it shocks me. It absolutely shocks me. So I've sold 14 Play Bad Fast stickers to date. And I don't think that is right, but maybe it is. But $147 in stickers. That works out to an average of about $10.52 per sticker. And I'll show you. Well, I can show you right now. Let's just go to the website. That would be easiest. And if you are looking for any golf gifts for terrible golfers, which 95% of the world suck at golf, do send them to terrible@golf.com, please. So here's the stickers. This sticker right here, guys, I'm charging $9.95 for the 4x4, and then $10.95 for the 5x5. And let's just go over to ChatGPT just real quick, and I will show you how I made this. And I already have it pulled up, so here we go. So this is what I said. Well, it's been about a month and a half on this one too, probably, since I made it. So I wrote, make me an image of a skeleton playing golf with a bucket hat on, and this is for a t-shirt, so needs to be an SVG. I did nothing. I didn't change this at all, except for I made the bucket hat red. I said, can you make this an SVG or vector graphic so I can change the color? And can you upscale it for a hoodie? Blah, 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 blah. So there's that one right there, guys. I mean, anyway, and I have this on a t-shirt, and I have it on a hoodie, and I've sold several of those. Blah to the blah to the blah. And then I said, make it with a pink hat. Anyway, let me... Now, the Life is Simple design, I actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I didn't create that with ChatGPT. I created that myself, but I got inspiration from another website in this niche, in this golf niche, funny golf niche, and I just tweaked it just a hair. And I do apologize because I totally thought that I made that with ChatGPT. But you certainly could in freaking seconds. I'll show you some other designs that I've done and sold as well. But guys, if you aren't using ChatGPT, if you have a print-on-demand store on Shopify, or regardless if it's Shopify, if you're trying to create designs and you don't know how, you're not a graphic designer, because I certainly am not. I mean, I guess I've kind of become one. But guys, this just, it's just too simple. I mean, it really is. And maybe that's why I made the title Life is Simple. But so there's that. And if you guys didn't know, I've told this in previous videos, but I use ChatGPT also for every one of my product descriptions. And I'll just give you an idea of what I say. Hang on. Well, here, I'll go to my library, guys, and just show you some of the designs that I've made. Now, obviously, I haven't used all of these. And half of these I forgot I even made. I was just screwing around yesterday. I made this. Now this would actually go on the back of a t-shirt or a hoodie. But guys, I mean it's insane what you can do. And I created this right here. If you don't know, that's John Daly. And I made this. So I put this actually on a koozie. I don't have this live on the website right now. Because I'm thinking about maybe saying grip it and top it instead of grip it and rip it. But John Daly, he's known for saying grip it and rip it. He said that for 30 something years or 40. But that's another one that I've created. Tell me what you think of this. Now I didn't create this with ChatGPT. This was just my own idea. I actually had this shirt on my other website, and I did sell quite a few, but I didn't have it on the back. I had it on the front of the shirt. But it says, if you can't read it, if golf was easy, it'd be called your mom. Now, I just put this on the website yesterday. It's not in Google or anything like that just yet, but I know for a fact that this shirt is just this text-generated shirt is going to sell like crazy. And then on the front of this shirt, let me just show you, because I do have this on the website. So it has my logo, Terrible at Golf. And this is actually embroidered, and then the back side is digitally printed. But again, this is going to be a long video, and it shouldn't have been. But I just wanted to let you guys know how simple this stuff is, guys. And again, link in the description for 3 months of Shopify for $3, guys. Like I always say, get in and take action. Just mess around with stuff and figure out a niche. I mean, there's a ton of different niches you guys can get into. I mean, if you're looking to make passive income, because all you have to do, guys, is create the store, and then then you just have to market it. So it's kind of on autopilot. I'm not doing a lot during the day other than checking my ads in the morning. I do post on Instagram, but I haven't been doing that much. I think the Instagram account has like 320 something followers, but that's all organic followers. Those weren't bought or anything like that. But anyway, comment down below, guys, if you want me to go more in depth of how I made this Shopify store, print-on-demand store, because I will certainly do that. And yeah, just please comment on the video. And I am going to start making videos again, guys. I actually have a brand new camera over there. I've got my tripod over here. So do expect more videos from me coming and talking about this and talking about my life and what I've been doing in Mexico, because I realize I haven't made a video in quite some time. Actually, I've gone live, but none of you guys ever see that. But I am still alive and well here in Mexico, and I'm going to leave it at that, guys. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and all that good jazzy stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video.